Now it is. Okay. So, interesting thing here with Blender. I am currently looking at the window. I should really set these materials up, but okay. I have here a scene. Windows are black because they're not displaying anything. Walls are just this. There's no world texture out here. But when I plug this in, I get this. You can see, like, this is all there is. It's just default principle. You might think it's the wall, but if I go here to the wall, this is its material. There, if I hide the wall, it still shows up. Again, no world material. I don't know what's causing this. I am learned something just now. So this is a checker texture, and yeah, there's nothing going on out here. All I'm doing is just this, and somehow that's